Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Jamie Key again. I'm going to go more in depth on these different board choices. I'm going to go ahead and we've seen the browser. Basically, all you do is just like with your Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox, whatever you use, type in the address and you pull up your website. Any website you want to choose, you want to show. Right now we're going to go into the presentation mode. Usually that flag is up there when you first choose it. We're going to pull it down again. And what you would do is you would just hit browse and you would go into your folders which you have a presentation, which we already have this presentation loaded. And when it goes on the list, you would just hit upload, and then it will take time to upload depending on how long it is. In fact, let's go ahead and just walk through that. How about that? Let's go ahead and go and browse and choose our presentation, open it, and it's on the list. Well, I don't have a play button on there yet, so I need to upload it. And it's just a short 5 or 6 clip presentation. And right here it does say, please make sure PowerPoint is not password protected. I guess you guys heard that. That chime means that it's done, and it's pretty loud, isn't it? Make sure your PowerPoint presentation is not password protected before uploading, because it may cause your conference room to crash. And now that it's uploaded, we have a play button, so we're going to hit play. It's going to take a little time to load. And you could either choose a play speed, a pause between, and play your presentation, or you could hit next slide, or just show the first and last slide, or stop the slide anytime and then go right to the last. But right here we have 1 of 6. This is 1 of 6, so we have 6 slides on here. And as you can see, your whiteboard drawing tools showed up here. If you want to draw, highlight anything during your presentation, you can, but you could also hide the whiteboard drawing tools with that icon right there. Drag your mouse, it says show drawing panel. And of course you got a repeat button if you want to play your slides. So let's go ahead and hit play and see how this does. I think I have it set on 8 seconds. Conference and chat with GVO. Speak with up to 50 attendees for under $9 a month. That's our second slide. 8 seconds is about right. Our conference can be shared worldwide and in multiple languages. I believe right now they have 6 languages, and they're increasing that all the time. Show videos or presentations during the conference, and we're showing a presentation right now. I'll do another video on video later on. A video on video. An attendee can ask questions or send comments during the conference. We went over that in the chat box, and as this thing's going on, I can go ahead and chat. And to learn more, go to our website, conferenceandchat.com, which we can do right here. Bingo! There's our website, conferenceandchat.com. As I said in another video before, there is no www. Just conference and chat. Type it in, hit the green button, and there it goes. Or type it in and hit enter. I always hit enter. I rarely ever use mouse clickers if I can help it. And since we went off the presentation did turn itself off. Pull it back up, just hit play again, and bingo, the drawing tools automatically comes up. You want the drawing tools on there. Now when you play this for other people, they're not going to see all these tools, but if you wanted to underline something, all that will show up. The tool itself won't show up, but they will see that you're drawing lines on there. And of course you can just or go to play if you have extra things you want to say in between clips. You can give your lecture or whatever on each clip and then choose to go to the next slide only when you're ready. If you don't want to go through the whole thing, if you get to a point where you need to stop, go on to the last frame. And you can close your control panel down right there. And there you go. That does it for the presentation. I will do another video on the show mode. I'll see you then.